the street. I had a feeling you would make yourself known. You came along just to claim your place on the throne. And I have been overthrown. And I thought if I told the right lines to these mockingbirds, whoa, let me shine. Down through the station, my door was left open wide. You brought me into your heart and you swallowed my pride. I had a feeling you were hiding your thought. I made it known to myself, I nearly forgot. Now I'm so overwrought, I'm overwrought. And I thought if I told the right lines for these mockingbirds, whoa, let me shine. And I thought if I told the right lines for these mockingbirds, whoa, let me shine. One day this ground will break and open up for me. I hope it will. Oh, I hope it will. Salutations at last, down on my knees. I heard the bugle this morning blast reveille. Woke from a dream where I was in a terrible realm. All my sails were ablaze, I was chained to the helm. Now I'm so overwhelmed, I'm overwhelmed. And I thought